Hey guys, this is Dipti. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna create this look using the Lovelies Party Animal palette. And look at that, colors are so beautiful, so gorgeous. So I'm so excited to show this look. So let's get started. Just don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also give me a big thumbs up. Let's get started.
Seriously, Shana, you didn't turn on any lights. You used to have a computer, right?
So guys, I got this Party Animal Lovelies Los Angeles palette. She's so gorgeous. Look at the colors. Oh god, I'm so glad I got these colors. I'm just excited to try it on. Colors are so gorgeous. I always wanted colors like this. I have other Morphe like neutral palette. Those are all very neutral shades for that already on my eye. I use that like regular, but I really wanted few dramatic colors, and I got it, and I was so happy when I opened my box, and wow. So look at the shades, so beautiful, like all the colors. So I just gonna try this and let's see how it works on my eye. So I think before that I have to clean this neutral shade. Okay, so first I'll show you on my hand how the colors are. So let's see. So this is first, it's a party. Then this damage control. I think they are good. I just have to see how it's gonna look on my eye. Then this is karaoke. Then this is this one is dranks. 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 Okay. So, and then I have this bottom up, which is shimmer pink color. And then this hungover. So what do you think, guys? This color looks pretty good, and I'll just try it on my eye. So I'll just clean this my neutral shade on my eye, so we can try all the shades and create the look which I can do it right now. So okay guys, I already cleaned my eyes, so I'm gonna try. First shade I'm gonna use this Isa Party. Oh, can you see? It's pretty good. In like just one stroke, you can see it. You can see it in my eye. Okay, after applying yellow, I'm gonna use this Dranks orange shade. I'm gonna use about the crease line. This shade is pretty good. Okay, so after that, I'm gonna use this hungover, a very dramatic dark color. This look interesting, like very glittery and wow, shimmery color. Just gonna apply on my crease. This is very pigmented, this shade, and shimmery. I think, oh yeah, look at that. And just one stroke. It looks pretty good. पूरा आइस पे अच्छे से like sprayed हो गया है. Wow, I like this shade. So यहाँ पे मैंने पहले ही थोड़ा डाल दिया था. So So this both shade bottom up and this Angor are pretty pigmented as compared to this other shade. So, and I really love it. Like in just one stroke, they are it's looking so good on my eye. And they literally change the overall look of this eyeshadow. So yeah guys, I think this is the first time I think I have created dramatic look. First time literally. It's okay. So after that I'm gonna use this karaoke blue shade at my waterline. Slowly, slowly, slowly.
So I'm just applying this karaoke shade at my waterline. First time I created such a dramatic look.
Okay guys, I forgot to turn on the lights and that's why maybe you'll feel the difference, but at the end I realized I just use one light, so that's okay. You'll see the difference and yes, that's what it is. So now you can see more clearly, I think.
No, where is the other lens?
Lenses are under that first. Eva was throwing इसलिए ऊपर.